Okay, so it's day 3 of learning testing library, and after introduction now we are on the guiding principle page, and we already familiar with guiding principle. We already discussed this on the home page and the introduction page. Let's revise this once again. So in this page they mentioned their guiding principle, which is the more your test resembles the way your software is used, the more confidence they can give you, right? So they mentioned it again and again that how you have to test your components. Okay, next we try to only expose methods and utility that encourage you to write tests that closely resembles how your web pages are used. So basically they have methods with which you can find DOM nodes by text or by some attributes, but not by their what their state is, what their lifecycle method is, not in that way. Okay, so utilities are included in this project based on the following guiding principles. If it relates to rendering component, then it should deal with DOM nodes rather than component instances, and it should not encourage dealing with component instances. So it should only deal with DOM nodes, right, if you are rendering components. And it should be generally useful for testing the application components in the way the user would use it. We are making some trade-offs here because we are using a computer and often a simulator browser environment, but in general utilities should encourage tests that use the components the way they are intended to be used. So with testing library, you are using a simulated browser environment or a computer, right? Not it's not end-to-end test case. You cannot visit the web page and test in that way, but still the way you write the test, it's the same user behavior. And the third one is utility implementations and APIs should be simple and flexible. Clear enough? At the end of the day, what we want is for this library to be pretty lightweight, simple and understandable, and I think they made a good job on that. So that's all they have on this page, and the next one is FAQ, so we will cover that tomorrow.